It's here. Nature's closing down sale with incredible reductions of all your favorite animals. Tigers, down. Leopards, down. Rhinos, not 70, not 80, but now up to 90% less. That's right. They won't be around for long. It's totally crazy. Don't hang about. Nature's closing down sale is happening now. 2 elephants have been bagged in the last hour alone. And that's not all. Incredible orangutans. Stunning pangolins. Even these superb lions. Slashed. We're down to the last few remaining. So hurry. When they're gone, they're gone!